Have you ever heard of tapping? I've just finished attending the 13th World Tapping Summit, and it's a really interesting technique that uses acupressure points and our body and mind connection to let go of stress, anxiety, limiting beliefs. And today's summit was about increasing your focus, increasing your productivity, and letting go of distractions. And there was a really interesting quote at the end by the author of the book Limitless, and it says that life is the C between the B and the D. B is birth, D is death, and C is choice. So choose to work on the biggest project that you'll ever work on in your life, which is yourself. So there's a new version of you that you haven't met yet. But it's up to you to decide and take the steps in the direction of your dreams. So if you're interested in learning more about tapping, send me a DM or a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to share it with you.